Artful time, come on, grab your friends. We'll go learn, have fun, and explore the bends. With Artful, your next door neighbor, the fun will never end. Artful time.
Hi, I'm Artemis. What time is it?
It's Artful time.
That's right. This morning, I went out with my friends to celebrate his birthday. Each of us has a slice of chocolate cake. And on top of the cake was a round red fruit that looks like a very small apple. I even saw the server put one on my slice. Do you know what fruit is this?
A cherry.
That's right, Seal and me. It's a cherry. Also, it starts with the third letter of the alphabet. Do you know what letter it is?
C.
That's right again. Cherry starts with the letter C. Good job. Let's spell cherry together. Ready? Start. C H E R R Y. Cherry. Good job. Did you know that it's cherry season from May to August? Wow! Cherries come in various colors like red, like this one, yellow, and even black. They are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that are good for your health, so get some while they're available. Cherries can be eaten fresh, dried, or used in pies, jams, juices, and cakes.
Cake!
If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you, much appreciated. You can ask your parents to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss new videos from Artful Time.